Hello class, this is a video tutorial on the derivative of the logarithmic function. And now we're going to be very precise in this one. We are looking at the logarithmic function log base e only. So now at the most basic level, the derivative of f of x equals ln of x is 1 over x. But in general, the derivative of this, if it were, say, ln of g of x, its derivative is, well, it's the derivative of the inside of the function over the original function on the inside. If this notation is rather tricky, take a look. If it was ln of u, the derivative of this is u prime on u. Now remember, really emphasizing this is only for ln of x or log base e of x. So let's do a few examples here. Here we go. So for this, I'm going to show you, for some of these are very straightforward, but you can apply this technique to make it easier for any example. So I'm going to let u be the inside. So 3x plus 4. And so the derivative of this, u prime, is just 3. Now that we have this, because we know the derivative is u prime on u, well, we can say y prime, in this case, is u prime, which is 3, on u. And that is, well, that's it right there. All right, so let's keep going here. Now, for this one, you can simplify later or simplify in the beginning. For this, simply because I know later on we're going to have to simplify the fraction, I'm going to combine this. So this is going to be ln. Now remember, this half x can be written as minus x on 2. And I want this to be the same denominator. So this is going to be 2 over 2. So this then becomes ln of 2 minus x on 2. Okay? So now that we have this, I can say let u equal 1 minus half x. U prime is going to be, well, the derivative of this is going to be negative half. So now we can say f prime of x is going to be this, u prime. So negative half over this expression. Rather than using this one, this will simplify better. You'll see what I mean when we get to this one. It'll be over 2 minus x on 2. But that can be written as negative half divided by 2 minus x on 2. Gonna need some more room here. Which is negative half times 2 over 2 minus x. This 2 and this 2 cancels out, leaving us with negative 1 over 2 minus x, because we were multiplying this denominator with this one. But I can simplify this further and take this negative 1 and multiply it out to the denominator. So in the denominator, I'm imagining it like this. When we expand this one, negative 1, negative x, that becomes 1 over x minus 2, and that is our derivative. Okay? All right, so let's move on with this next one. Now, in this example, I'm showing you how this plus x cubed is not part of the ln. Okay, so because of that, we take the derivative of this as a separate thing. So here we go. So for this one, I'm going to get u equaling the inside here, x squared plus 2x. its derivative is going to be 2x plus 2. I could factor that. Let's actually factor that, yes. 2 outside of x plus 1. Now that we have this, we can let f prime be. So we're taking the derivative of this one first. Remember, the derivative of ln of u is u prime over u, which will become u prime is 2x plus 1 over x squared plus 2x. So this first term, this quotient, is the derivative of this first one. And we just simply take the derivative of this on its own. So this is going to be 3x squared. We could combine all of this as one fraction if you'd like, but I'm going to leave it there because all we're looking to learn today in this video is this derivative. All right, so I hope that's giving you an insight into this. I'll see you in the next video where we take more examples using the quotient rules and the product rules. Hope to see you then, and best of luck.